Alright guys, the first step is to click on this link right here, and it will take you to a new page where you have to download the APK and register. Hey, what's going on there? Welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Malawi, where we talk about crypto mining and coin mining using your Android, your iOS, and even your CPU. You see, this is a great opportunity you don't want to lose. And today, I've just brought you this amazing app. It's just gonna make you a millionaire in the years to come. If you are interested, stay tuned and watch. So, without wasting much of your time, the app I'm going to talk about here is Bitcoin Mining Satoshi, or Satoshi Bitcoin Mining, or Bitcoin Satoshi Mining. And Bitcoin Satoshi is the second to Bitcoin. Right? I've already explained why Bitcoin Satoshi exists in another video, and the link will be in the description box below, and also at the end of this video you will find it on a pre-card. Okay, you click on it and you're gonna watch it. I've also explained how to mine, how to withdraw Bitcoin Satoshi from this app, so you don't have to worry. After watching this video and after registering and joining this one, you're gonna start over there. At the end, we're gonna watch those videos and understand what Bitcoin Satoshi mining is all about. Okay, but the first thing here is you have to click on the link below, and it will take you to the new page. Don't worry about the link. The link will be in the description box below, where you can use it and download it. Okay, so the next step for you is to register. So click on start mining, start mining, and then you're gonna put your email here. As you can see, I already have my email, so I'll still put it and then click next. But then you also have to do it, and if you do it, you receive a code. You can see there is a code over there, and if you put that code here, and again click next, it's gonna take you to a new page where you will have to it's going to take you to a new page where you have to put on your password. So you have to create your own password, the one that you're going to use, and you should never forget it. Okay, so the first step is for you to download the app. Okay, so after this process, it will take you to a new screen where you have to download the app. Okay, and in the next screen you have to click on download APK. Alright, so once you download the APK, install the app. Alright, so once you install the app, and then you're gonna go to the next screen, which is once the app is downloaded, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so click on the app. Once you have installed it, open the app. Okay, and once you open the app, it's gonna look like this. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is go straight to mining. And on mining, the other thing is when you click on mining, the button here, it will take you to this page. And once you are here, it won't be looking like this. It will be different. Alright. So at this section where it says receive hash giveaway, you will see the same button that says start mining. So you click on start mining. Once you click on start mining, it's gonna take you to a new page where you will have to go under KYC. Right there, you have to put your real name. Right, you have to. That's where you're gonna verify your account. So how to verify your account is easy. You have to put your real name and your national registration number. Okay, if you're from Malawi, if you're from other countries, they call it national identity number. Right. Anyway, it's the same. So you're gonna put that number there. That number will be at the back of your national ID, right? Or in other countries, it's in the front, right? Okay. So after that, it's gonna require you to take a self video, right? We call it light detection. We call it light detection So after that, it's gonna take you to a new screen where you have to capture your face on a video, right? And you have to follow each and every instruction. If the instructor says turn your head to the right, please turn your head to the right slowly. And if he says turn your head up slowly, please turn your head up slowly. And after that, it's gonna tell you that you have completed your KYC. And after that, it's gonna take you back to the same page, which is this page, and it will bring you on the same instruction where it on the same button that says start mining. So you have to click again on start mining, and after that you are done. All right. So after that you're done, you will then see here, right here where it says next box, right? Okay. So what it means when it says next box, that's the box that you'll be mining. All right. That's the time it takes for a box to be mined. Okay. So that one here. All right. Here, this one. So it's the time that takes for a box to be mining or a block. So after that, then you will be required to receive hashes. You go here, you see, you have to receive hashes, right? And you have to receive BTCs as well. See here, BTCs, and you have to receive BTCs. Okay, BTC is Bitcoin, and BTCs is Bitcoin Satoshi. As you know, as you have already seen now, there are so many benefits of using this app. You can see you can earn Bitcoin and at the same time earn BTS, which is worth a lot of money. I'll talk about the price very soon. And if you go down here, you see that you have to receive BTCs, Bitcoin Satoshi. Okay? Once you click on it, receive Bitcoin Satoshi, you see that this number here will be there. Okay? Alright, that's how you earn Bitcoin Satoshi and the Bitcoin, that is. Alright? And that's how you join and register for Bitcoin. Okay? With that, I now come to my to the end of this video. Be sure that you should register and click on the link below because there are a lot of benefits. I wanted to talk about the price. Let me just share you about the price. The figure of this app, Bitcoin Satoshi, is very bright. Okay? Even now, you can withdraw the bitcoins once it reaches 0.002 bitcoin, and you can also mine BTS at any time you want. It doesn't have a minimum, or so it has a minimum, but any amount you want. And the expected price for Bitcoin Satoshi this coming September will be $28. Okay, and it is gonna go skyrocket, such that by this June, the price of Bitcoin Satoshi will be at it will be around $28 this coming June. Okay, and it will skyrocket by September. It will be valued half of Bitcoin. Alright, so the value of Bitcoin now is at 46,000 US dollars, and half of it you already know is 23,000. So that is gonna be the price of Bitcoin Satoshi. So what are you waiting for? Join and register and start mining today so that you will never miss this good opportunity. Alright, that's for me. Thanks. Be sure to click on the link below. The link for you to join and download the app is in the description box. So click it and join. The time is now. Start mining and start receiving the BTS here. Receive them. And don't forget to invite your friends by click on the recruit miners and share your link here, just like I've shared mine to you, because I love you guys, and that's why I've invited you to join. If you miss this opportunity, you regret it. Okay. So for you to see that this app is legit, there is a white paper here at the top right screen of this page. So you're gonna click there and it will take you to this page. You can now read everything here. What Satoshi is all about. Oh, if you don't wanna do that, you can also find a video at the end of this which describes the white paper of the expression. Once you click it and watch it, you understand what this Bitcoin Satoshi mining app is all about. So I wish you luck. Bye guys.